Hi, I'm Carrie Sakarik. I'm the supervisory biologist at Ocala National Forest, and today we're at the Florida Black Bear Festival. The festival is a family-friendly, education-oriented event, and it's free to the public. The Florida Black Bear Festival is held in Umatilla, Florida, the gateway to Ocala National Forest. Florida visitors and residents alike enjoy the many learning opportunities that we have at the park, and also the backcountry field trips. We have field trips that explore the Florida Black Bear Scenic Byway, also known as State Road 40. Residents and visitors to Florida alike have enjoyed going on field trips to the historic Car Cabin or bear country field trips where they can spend an in-depth learning opportunity with the top bear biologists in the state. At the festival grounds, we have learning activities for the children as well as fun carnival games that they can enjoy. We have many local crafts, educational exhibits that have hands-on activities for everybody to participate in, and good home cooking from many of our local organizations. Before you leave, don't forget to pack your camera. Smokey Bear makes regular appearances on the Midway, ready to greet and hug and maybe even dance with some of our visitors.